In the ever-evolving world of wearable technology, Garmin has consistently stood out as a leader in delivering high-quality fitness smartwatches. The anticipation surrounding the release of the Garmin Forerunner 975 has reached new heights, with fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados eagerly awaiting its arrival. This article delves deep into the expected features, specifications, and innovations that the Forerunner 975 is poised to bring to the table. Design and build quality. Premium materials for enhanced durability. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to feature a titanium bezel, offering a perfect balance between strength and weight. This choice of material not only enhances the watch's durability, but also gives it a sleek and modern appearance. Complementing the bezel is a polymer case, ensuring the watch remains lightweight for extended wear during intense workouts. Multiple size options for a customized fit. Understanding that one size doesn't fit all, Garmin is anticipated to offer the Forerunner 975 in multiple size options. This approach caters to a broader audience, ensuring that users with varying wrist sizes can find a comfortable fit. Quick-release bands for versatility. The inclusion of interchangeable quick-release bands allows users to effortlessly switch between different styles and materials. Whether transitioning from a workout to a formal setting, the Forerunner 975 aims to provide versatility in appearance. Display enhancements. AMOLED display for vivid visuals. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Forerunner 975 is rumored to feature an AMOLED display. This upgrade promises brighter colors, sharper contrasts, and improved visibility in various lighting conditions, making it easier for users to read data on the go. Thinner bezels for a larger viewing area. To maximize screen real estate without increasing the overall size of the watch, Garmin is expected to implement thinner bezels. This design choice offers users a more immersive experience, allowing for more data to be displayed at a glance. Performance and hardware upgrades. Next-generation processor for seamless operation. At the heart of the Forerunner 975 lies a new, more powerful processor. This upgrade ensures faster response times, smoother transitions, and efficient multitasking, enhancing the overall user experience. Expanded storage capacity. With an anticipated 64 gigabytes of internal storage, users can store more music, maps, and workout data directly on the device. This expansion reduces the need for constant syncing and provides greater autonomy during activities. Advanced health and wellness features. Elevate V5 heart rate sensor for accurate monitoring. The Forerunner 975 is set to incorporate the Elevate V5 heart rate sensor, offering more accurate real-time data. This enhancement is crucial for users aiming to monitor their heart health and optimize their training regimens. ECG monitoring for comprehensive heart health insights. One of the most talked about features is the potential inclusion of electrocardiogram, ECG, monitoring. This functionality allows users to detect irregular heart rhythms and gain deeper insights into their cardiovascular health. Skin temperature tracking for holistic wellness. By tracking skin temperature, the Forerunner 975 can provide indicators related to stress levels, recovery status, and potential illness detection, offering a more comprehensive view of a user's well-being. Enhanced sleep tracking for better rest. Improved sleep tracking capabilities are expected, providing users with detailed analyses of their sleep stages, durations, and quality. This information is vital for understanding recovery and overall health. Fitness and sports tracking. Multisport support for diverse activities. The Forerunner 975 is designed to cater to a wide range of sports and activities, including running, cycling, swimming, hiking, and more. This versatility makes it an ideal companion for athletes with diverse training routines. Dual-frequency GPS for precise location tracking. With the rumored inclusion of dual-frequency GPS, users can expect enhanced accuracy in location tracking, even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas with tall buildings. Advanced swim tracking features. Swimmers can look forward to automatic stroke detection, lap counting, and distance tracking, making the Forerunner 975 a comprehensive tool for aquatic training. Connectivity and smart features. LTE connectivity for on-the-go freedom. The potential addition of LTE connectivity means users can stream music, receive notifications, and send emergency alerts without needing to carry their smartphones during workouts. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and A&E Plus support. Standard connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and A&E Plus ensure seamless integration with various devices, sensors, and accessories, enhancing the overall functionality of the smartwatch. Battery life and charging. Extended battery life for endurance. Garmin is known for its impressive battery performance, and the Forerunner 975 is expected to continue this trend. Users can anticipate extended battery life, ensuring the watch keeps up with long training sessions and multi-day events. Solar charging capabilities. Rumors suggest the inclusion of solar charging, allowing the watch to harness sunlight to extend its battery life further. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts and long-distance athletes. User interface and software experience. Refined user interface for intuitive navigation. A refreshed user interface is anticipated, offering smoother transitions, easier navigation, and personalization options. This enhancement aims to make the watch more user-friendly and adaptable to individual preferences. Real-time coaching and guided workouts. The Forerunner 975 is expected to provide real-time coaching, on-wrist suggestions, and guided workouts tailored to the user's performance metrics, helping them achieve their fitness goals more effectively. Seamless integration with Garmin Connect. Users can look forward to seamless syncing with the Garmin Connect platform, ensuring their data is easily accessible and analyzable across devices. Release date and pricing. Anticipated launch window. Based on available information, the Garmin Forerunner 975 is expected to be released between March and June 2025, aligning with Garmin's typical product release cycles. Expected price range. Considering the advanced features and enhancements, the Forerunner 975 is projected to be priced between $629 and $699, positioning it as a premium offering in Garmin's smartwatch lineup. Conclusion. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the world of fitness smartwatches. With its anticipated blend of advanced health monitoring, robust fitness tracking, enhanced connectivity, and user-friendly design, it promises to meet the diverse needs of athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. As we await its official release, the Forerunner 975 stands as a testament to Garmin's commitment to innovation and excellence in wearable technology.